Hi everyone, I just created a tutorial for the super easy top knot type of look, which is a little bit different than the traditional way of doing it, but super easy nonetheless. Keep watching and see how I got it. Hi everyone. Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm wearing the Boo Boo Moose shaper underneath, and I'm also using our Navy Suede Wrap. You can use any wrap for this, but I'm using one of ours just because ours generally are a little bit longer, so that's why it's a little bit easier to do. So I have both tails at even lengths. I'm taking them both to the back, bringing them to the front. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take each side and you're going to tuck it into itself like so. Make sure that the smooth side is still on the outside, and then the inside of the suede is on the inside. Okay, you're gonna bring it up and you're going to make a knot. Okay. After you make a knot, you're gonna make another knot. But now what you need to do is, I know that like righties and lefties have their preferences. You're gonna make another knot, but the opposite way that you made this one. So I would go like this again, but I need to go the other way. So you need to go the other way also. And it's like a little bit awkward for me to do because I'm not used to doing it this way. I'm like trying to do the opposite of what I usually do. See, I wasn't able to do it. But yeah, basically do the opposite way, because that's what's gonna help it create like that, like a different, it's basically gonna look different. Okay, so after you create your second knot, you can decide where you wanna leave it. You can leave it a little bit further back, so you can get like a little bit higher of a knot, or you can bring it like more towards the front, which is what I like to do. And then it like looks like a top knot, you know, without having to like twist and whatnot. Then you're just gonna take both of these and you're gonna tuck it into the back, into itself, just like this. And then you're going to adjust whatever needs to be adjusted, move anything forward, move anything backwards, tuck anything else in that needs to be tucked. But yeah, super easy wrap, get you out of the door. So it still looks like I have that V, but I didn't do the V. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed.